I've been swinging so long, they call me the hatchet man. You can find me in the forest with my hatchet in my hand. I done chopped my way from Maine to Tennessee. I done chopped my way from Maine to Tennessee. You gotta learn how to chop if you wanna get along with me.
Yeah.
Now if you got 60 minutes, call up Loving Dan. But if you want something chopping, call the hatchet man. I've been swinging so long, they call me the hatchet man. You can find me in the forest with my hatchet in my hand.
How are things going?
Ain't looking for trouble, I hope.
If you're feeling blue, if you ask me to, it'll be alright. If it takes all night, baby, you for me, like a cherry tree. Loving Dan may knock you out, but the hatchman'll make you jump and shout. I've been swinging so long, they call me the hatchet man. You can find me in the forest with my hatchet in my hand.
Another day of hard work.
Ugh, moors are gross.
If you work, you eat. It's as simple as that.
Hello, Boston.
Have you seen
This is
Diamond City?
Isaiah Pendergrass, broadcasting from Cadillac
If that's
Jack's
what you
radio
think.
shack. I'm bringing you the best pre-war hits out of this here multi-level shack. It's a big shack, too. Built it myself with parts from the old vault I crawled out of many years ago with my old mentor, Cadillac Jack. Here's another great song for you, Boston.
Hi, miss.
Hi.
When I saw you this morning, baby, tell me why did you walk away? When I saw you this
You know what I
morning,
call a good
baby,
day? One that ends
tell me
without
why
an empty
did you
stomach.
walk away?
Yeah.
Can't believe that you don't want me. I thought our love was here to stay. Buzz me, buzz
You hear about
me,
that
buzz
farm
me,
run by
baby.
ghouls?
I'll
That's
be
something.
waiting for your call. Buzz me, buzz me, buzz me, baby. I'll be waiting for your call.